Hey guys, welcome to this video. Hasib here and hope you're doing well. This video is going to be a short one because this is a theoretical video and I'm not going to implement anything. I'm just going to talk about a few important things about writing video ad hooks. So what are really video ad hooks? If you are doing Facebook ads or YouTube ads that include a video content, so you're running a video ad on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, any kind of platform that enables video promotion, you need to write your video script, right? Because your video will have voiceover or something. So a hook will be something that grabs your target audience attention. It will have to be interesting enough that it grabs the attention, increases the audience interest to motivate them enough to watch the whole video ad, right? Because if they don't watch the whole or at least 75% of the video ad, they won't end up converting. So if you want more conversions, you definitely need to add a hook at the beginning of your video. So why hooks are important, I've kind of described that. I'm just gonna go one by one really. So this is something like a new technique I'm trying on my videos. So let me know if this helps, or let me know if I need to change this as well, because I'm trying to make changes to my videos to make myself comfortable with these kind of videos so I can come up with more. At the same time, I'm trying to make it comfortable for you guys as well. So let me know. Anyway, why hooks are important, I've kind of discussed that. If you don't put a hook, they won't end up watching at least 75% of the video, hence they won't be converting, right? So you can either show them something or say something that grabs your attention. So it doesn't have to be always what you say at the beginning of the video to increase their interest to watch the whole thing. It can also be like a screenshot. It can also be a gesture. Like if you're promoting your money making course, anything on Facebook or any kind of video streaming platform, you can show them a screenshot. Here's how I made $1 million in a month. I mean, that's hard, but just an example, right? So it doesn't have to be what you say. It can also be what you are showing, or what you are trying to say, or what you are believing, or something like that, right? So the next thing is you must address your audience directly. I'll tell you why that's important. Let's say you're a home service based business from Memphis, Tennessee. So in the beginning of the video, if you say, hey homeowners from Memphis, Tennessee, because you're a home service business, maybe you're a roofer, maybe you're a painter, maybe you're a HVAC contractor, anything in Memphis, Tennessee. So your service area is Memphis, Tennessee only. You don't want to go out of that. So you're promoting it. And if you say, hey homeowners from Memphis, Tennessee, that does two things. That grabs the attention of Memphis, Tennessee homeowners, one thing. The second one is it filters out people that are not in Memphis, Tennessee and not a homeowner. So if they're a tenant in Memphis, Tennessee, they won't be seeing the ad. Hence, you're saving money by not showing them the ad because they're not your target audience, right? So that's how you can actually filter them out. Then there's one more way to do it so you're a homeowner and looking for a company to inspect your roof in Memphis, Tennessee, right? So that's how you can grab attention of homeowners in specific areas as well. So instead of this, you could say, so you're a homeowner in Memphis, Tennessee and looking for a company to inspect your roof. That doesn't take even 3 seconds, right? So that's how easy it is to create a hook for any kind of local business, any kind of home service business, and any kind of business in general. So the next thing is indirectly addressing the audience. That's also one more way to do it. A customer testimonial starting with, I was so frustrated with roofing companies in Austin, Texas. What this is doing is through a customer testimonial, it's relating the video hook or the video ad itself. It's instantly relating to people who are frustrated with roof companies in Austin, right? So that does two things. That says, or that indicates, that implies that you're not any kind of mediocre roof company in Austin, Texas. And it says, it relates to those people who are already frustrated, right? So that's a pretty good and efficient way to create a video ad hook. So if you're doing ad for a roofing company in Austin, Texas, there you go. There you have it, right? Let's talk about some more examples now. So these are examples I prepared. There could be more, but these cover like most of them. I'm pretty sure that if you use any one of these, you're going to be all right. So they're going to be seeing the watch time of your video ad is definitely going to be more and more efficient. Directly calling out the audience and addressing their pain points. Are you experiencing pain point Y? So directly addressing their pain point. So what is your target audience's pain point? If you're a roofing company in, I don't know, Belfast or something like that, you need to say, are you a homeowner in Belfast and suffering from roof problems, any kind of roof problems, right? So that's how to address that. The next thing is tell them what they are getting from your offer in 5 to 7 seconds. I wouldn't go 7 seconds, to be honest. I would do it in 5. I'll tell you how you can get a new pool for your home in the cheapest way possible if you give me 15 seconds. So what they're doing is basically telling the offer. So here's what I do. That's my offer, right? So I'll tell you how you can get a new pool for your home in the cheapest way possible if you give me 15 seconds. That's really easy and that's really efficient, and that says the offer, right? So that's less time for you to try to convert them. The next thing is showing results at the beginning. Just like I said, I just made $1 million by selling this product, right? For a Shopify tutorial ad. So if you want to promote Shopify, a Shopify store, Shopify, so you can do this like by saying that I just made $1 million by selling this product. So like a good drop shipping ad, right? Talking about a mistake that your audience makes. So that's one more good way to relate to your target audience through the video hook. In the beginning of the video, if you say, here's what you should not do, like if they in 5 or 7 seconds or even in 10 seconds, you're able to describe what they are doing that they should not be doing, they'll pretty much, there's a really high chance that they will watch the entire thing. All right. So the next thing is old way of thinking. The old way of thinking is like you're using this old method, which is why you're not getting results. So this could be for, like, let's say I have a Google ad tutorial course and I'm trying to promote it. So Google ad has changed a lot over the years and everyone knows that, right? So if I'm promoting through a video ad my Google ad tutorial course, I would start like this. I would say you're using this old method to run Google ads, which is why you're not getting leads from your ads. So they would instantly relate to that. Okay, yes, I'm not getting leads from my Google ads. What should I do? Why am I using the old method? What's the new method? That's the interest. That's how I'm driving people to watch the whole thing, watch my whole video. And if they watch the whole video, they will convert. They may convert. There's a high chance of them converting, right? The last thing I want to talk about is nostalgia. So it works really well for medical niche. So if you say, do you remember how good your sleep was when you were in your 20s? Let's say you want to promote chiropractic clinics, right? And your target audience is from 35 to, 75 or something. And they usually don't have good sleeps at night, right? We all know that. How you would relate that service, that chiropractic clinic service, is you would say, do you remember how good your sleep was when you were in your 20s? They would say, okay, yeah, my sleep was indeed good. And they would watch the whole thing, if not at least 50 or 70%. That's what you need, right? But I'll tell you that these are the examples. These are enough to make a good video hook, but that doesn't mean that the rest of the video will be shit. It definitely needs to be really interesting. So that's the hook. And then the next part, that the next 10 to 15 seconds of the video, you need to use that period to educate your target audience about your offer, your product, or your service, whatever you're doing, right? So you need to educate your audience through the ad, and then at the end, you need to give a clear call to action saying that here's what you need to do if you want to get this. Maybe book a call, maybe sign up, maybe buy this by going to our website. A really clear call to action should be added at the end of this video, at the end of the ad video, right? So hook, interest, and then call to action. That's what a good short ad video will have. I hope this video was helpful, guys. I really do. And please subscribe if you like my content, and I will see you in the next one.